Your dog is very dirty and smelly. How old is your dog? Huh? 3? 4 years old. Do you love your dog?
Yeah.
Look at the hand of the dog. It's very dirty. You brush the hand. Ayaw, ibutang ang sabon sa ubos kay malanay. Ari babaw butang. Smile. Smile, kuya. Look at here. Huy. Ayun ka pa, picture ka. Smile. Tanaw diri. Ang hand siguro dua kay baho na.